So this is the bareMinerals concealer. I've been using this product for at least a decade. It's my go-to concealer for covering up any red marks, acne, anything like that. I use the color Summer Bisque. It's just kind of has a little bit of a yellow undertone that I love, and it works well with my skin. I'm usually a medium in the bareMinerals foundation, so that might help. And it's just a little bit of powder. This one's actually almost out, but this one just has a little bit of powder, and you can use it, apply it with a brush. You can even use your finger. And it's just, it's easy. There's no way to make mistakes with this. It's very forgiving. So I'm just going to show you covering up a small spot and how it works. There's a small spot on my eye that I just want to cover up. So I'm just taking a tiny amount with my finger just because I don't have my brush with me. And I'm just going to kind of tap it on. You probably saw that it was a little bit red before. And then it literally just pretty much disappears. I need like a little more product. Again, I don't have my brush with me. It'd probably go on better, but I think the redness should be gone.